This too is false.
It was the shout heard round the world.
The reforms I'm proposing would not apply to those who are here illegally.
2 words, "you lie," bellowed by 62-year-old Republican Representative Joe Wilson of South Carolina as the president defended his health care plan. Watch Speaker Pelosi behind the president, visibly startled by what both parties agreed
It's not true.
was an unprecedented breach of protocol.
I've never seen that kind of outburst on the floor from a member towards the President of the United States.
Within hours, Wilson's website had crashed, his opponent had raised hundreds of thousands of dollars, and his GOP colleagues had pushed him to apologize.
Last night, I heard from the leadership that they wanted me to contact the White House and state that my statements were inappropriate.
Catcalls may be common in parliaments overseas.
They have been wrong, and wrong.
But in the U.S. Congress, the rules preclude all but the occasional boo.
If steps are not taken to avert that
or hiss
let us
in the presence of the president.
We all do need to dedicate ourselves to working in a civil manner.
This wasn't the first time Wilson let politics get personal. In 2002, he went ballistic on Democratic Congressman Bob Filner in a C-SPAN exchange about Iraq.
And for you to say that is just a hatred of America, just a hatred, that's what it is, a visceral hatred.
Today, Wilson told reporters outside his office that his attack on the president just slipped out.
I will tell you this, that it was spontaneous.
The former military attorney stands by what he said, but regrets where he said it. Constituents in his conservative district agree.
It's completely out of line.
Mr. Obama accepted Wilson's apology.
I'm a big believer that we all make mistakes.
Wilson wasn't the only Republican in a defiant mood last night. Some waved copies of GOP healthcare proposals. One even held up protest signs he had scribbled on the spot.
I think what we're talking about here, though, is the emergence of an extremely militant brand of conservatism that really does see Obama as, in contrast, say, to Bill Clinton and Jimmy Carter, much more committed to a progressive or left agenda.
Ironically, Wilson's disruption came just 10 minutes after the president had called for a more civil discourse on health care reform. Nancy Cordes, CBS News, Capitol Hill.